Guys, I am extremely annoyed and frustrated and pissed off, frankly. This weekend has been an absolute crazy period of time in my life. And I want to share some stuff with you that's happened specifically inside of the hair system world and community that I think you need to know about. Now, you all know that I am not one to ever talk about negative things. I don't like to talk about issues that bring us down, but this is something that has to be addressed because it is so wrong and so vile and despicable that I just can't keep this from you. Now, as you know, I try to protect the names of people that do shady things inside of this industry. I don't expose them. I'll expose what they're doing, but I never expose who they are. In this video, I'm going to expose exactly who this company is at the very end of this video, because I want you to watch the entire thing so that way you realize what these companies are doing, how shifty, how shady, and how illegal the things are that they are doing. So I apologize if this is a long video. I guarantee that it's going to be entertaining and you're not going to really believe the story that unfolds from here. But here we go. Now, to give you a little bit of background, lately a lot of hair system companies have been contacting me and wanting me to promote their product on this channel. They say, hey, we'll give you a free hair system if you promote it. We'll give you a commission for every single unit that we sell that comes from your individual link. Now, generally, I automatically say no to this type of offer, and the reason is this right here. I will let a company sponsor conversations on this channel, which basically means to get their name in front of you, to tell you a little bit about what they do. I will allow them to pay me to do that in order for them to do some very targeted niche marketing inside of people who probably may want hair systems or are looking for a different company, which is the exact arrangement. But what I do not do is I do not do commission off of product. That's why I'm never going to push a specific product on you. I'm never going to say buy from these one people. And one of the reasons that I do that is because I can't ultimately control the customer service. I can't control what's in stock. I can't control their supply chain. I can't control anything inside of their business. It's strictly affiliate marketing, if you will, at that point. And what I want to do is I always want to provide you with trust, honesty, and nothing else. I don't want you to feel pressured into buying from one company. And I want to expose you to the companies that are investing in education, in tips, in tricks, in conversations, in destigmatizing hair loss. So this company reached out to me on Instagram and they said, hey, this is blank. I really like your YouTube content and I'm impressed by how well you style and install the hair. I'm reaching out because we think we have products that your audience will appreciate, obviously. We hope you can do a YouTube tutorial and some HD pictures on our wig. By the way, please tell me you're ready for the details so that we can go on our collaboration. Please let me know if you're interested. To which I responded, hey, thanks for reaching out. I'm open to collaborating and exposing my audience to your product. Do you have a specific type of content that you would like me to produce? They said, sure, let's talk about it on WhatsApp and you can receive 10% commission on any settled order. So at that point, we moved over to WhatsApp. So the conversation begins. I say, what can I do for you? I say, what can I do for you? They say, oh, nice to meet you. I really like your content and impressed by the how well you style and install the hair. It's the same exact message from Instagram. And she says, promote our wigs, of course. If a customer makes an order, you can get a 10% commission about this order. To which I respond, thanks for that. I work hard to build a community and help people with transitioning into a hair system. I don't do commissions on sponsorships. I only offer sponsorships to companies that want to get their name in front of my viewers. So this she says back to me, so Jake, you mean is we just need to send you a sample. You will make the video and put the product link at the community. Even if there will have an order, you do not charge any commission. So obviously she's thinking that I'm saying because she doesn't understand English, and that's okay, and there's nothing wrong with that. She's thinking though that I don't want any commission. I'm just going to put her product in front of my audience for no money. I say, hey there. To clarify, I don't offer promotions in exchange for commission. If you want to pay me for promotion, I only offer flat rate promotions. The reason this is so is because I have no control over your quality of product, your customer service, or anything else. I'm not going to promote your products as being the best because it eliminates the ability for me to promote other companies' product. I do allow companies such as yourself to sponsor videos on my channel which show that you are investing in the community of hair system wearers who watch my channel and give them the option to try your wares. And she says back, hello, Jake, thanks for the message. Sure, we are very happy to send you samples so that you can put our product videos on your channel. Regardless of sales, we think this is the best way to promote our product. After you receive the product, you can check the quality and make the video. Can you send the address for us to send the sample? One more question. After you put the video, you also share the website link at the channel. She says the type of unit that she wants to send me, which is a 0.03 millimeters thin skin. This is the best polyurethane sold on the market. It's invisible and natural, and not only the hairline. From the top of the head, the scalp is also invisible. Now, at this point, I actually didn't say anything for the rest of the day, and the reason for that is because she wasn't understanding at all what I was trying to get across. The fact that I was only offering sponsorship on the channel in exchange for a flat rate, so that way you guys can get exposed to the product, but you don't feel pressured in order to buy their product. Now, I got an interesting text from a friend later that day. Now, I was hanging out with my girlfriend, and we were actually walking at this point. I get a text from him. I'm gonna put it on screen. He says, did you know you're trending on TikTok? I say, I am? For what? And at this point, I don't have a TikTok. I don't have anything on TikTok relating to hair systems. So he sends me the link and says it popped up when I was scrolling. You know what this TikTok was? I'm showing it to you here on screen. This is this company that stole my content from YouTube in order to promote their product. And it just so happens that it's the exact same company that I was talking to on WhatsApp. The very one that offered me free product is a company that stole my content, which went viral on TikTok and didn't even tell me. They completely ignored the fact. Now, this video, when I found it, had 400,000 views on it. 400,000 views. And they didn't say anything. They had no intention of telling me. They just simply put it up without any permission, without any rights, without anything whatsoever. They associated my name, my brand, my image, everything we're doing inside of this community with their product. This isn't a page that just says like, hey, we're encouraging hair systems. No, this was linked directly to their website to buy their product. And in every single comment where someone said they liked it and that they wanted to do it, guess what they linked to? Their website. They never even mentioned my name. They never even said that it was someone else's product. They never did anything. All they did was try to sell their product to people. As you can imagine, I was pretty frustrated at this. I was pretty annoyed, pretty angry, and I absolutely lost it. So I sent them a couple messages on WhatsApp, and I said, excuse me, why are you using my face to sell your product on TikTok? I'm having my lawyer put a cease and desist letter together, and you owe me damages. Now at this point, guess what happened? They blocked me. They blocked me on TikTok, on every single account they had, so that way I couldn't contact them or see it anymore. But guess what? I went back on someone else's TikTok, and it's still up. So I said, and now you've blocked me. You will most definitely be hearing from my lawyer. Now, that was about 9 p.m., right? So because they had blocked me, because they had really, really pissed me off, I called from my iPhone after that. They were online. It was 9 p.m., which is about the time that these distributors start doing business and they work through the night because they're on the opposite side of the world as me. I called them 5 times at their direct company number. Not pick up once. They did not pick up once. So I grabbed my friend's phone. got their number once again on WhatsApp, and I sent them messages. I said, hey, I'm looking to order a mass quantity of hair systems, but I have a couple questions. I really need to ask you these questions over the phone though, because they're somewhat complicated. Could you take my call? Guess who calls right away? This company. Specifically, this woman's name is Kathy. It's the same woman that I've been communicating with before. And she says, hello, how can I help you? And I start asking her some questions about the hair systems pertaining to this mass order. And she's answering my questions, and then all of a sudden I say, excuse me, my name is Jake Kent. You stole my content. You've put it on TikTok. It has over 400,000 views. You owe me damages. You owe me money. You did not have permission to use this. What do you think you're doing? And immediately, you know what she said? I can't hear you. You're going to have to send me a message over WhatsApp. I can't hear you. I hope you have a good day. And then hung up on me. Yeah, just hung up on me. Pretended like she couldn't hear me immediately. How convenient, right? So at this point, I'm blocked. They're not answering any of my messages on WhatsApp. So I go to their website and I immediately email their law team, their legal team, and say, take it down. Now you have no rights to this. You will be sued. You will be punished with the extent of the law. Take it down. And I still haven't had a reply to that email. That was over 4 days ago. Now, once again, I said that they blocked me on TikTok, and there was really nothing I could do. It was actually midnight, and I was still trying to resolve this. Ruined my girlfriend and I's night. I let it ruin my night. It's not their fault it's their fault, but I let it ruin my night, and that's my fault, which I take ownership over. So the next day, I get a response from them. It says, Dear Jake, we used your video without your consent, and I am very sorry for our actions. We are willing to compensate you in any way. Please forgive me, but I really like your video and hope to be good friends with you. Our original intention is to help people with hair loss to understand the hair system and help them regain confidence. Your video, this effect is well demonstrated, and can I add your TikTok account below the video? I want more people to know you and follow you so as to increase your visibility and help more people. It's okay if you don't agree, we'll delete the video and apologize again. Best regards. To which I said to them, you do not have my consent to use the videos for your marketing purposes. Your video accrued over 400,000 views from viewing my video. Now, they haven't responded since this. Okay? They have not responded since this time. Absolute silence on all channels, all fronts of their business. So, a day goes by. I don't hear anything. And I get an email from another company that I am potentially collaborating with. And they send me an email that says this: Jake, are you familiar with this company? We came across a video of you getting your hair system attached, presumably in your salon in Florida, on one of their many TikTok accounts. This is exactly the kind of Chinese company that gives all Chinese companies a bad name and just plays up the stereotype that we have in the West of China and Chinese companies. These are the kind of companies we and other reputable companies in China have to battle against here when we market ourselves in the West. You'll see that they have multiple accounts across TikTok with profile names to capture people's searches. The video I'm attaching is not on the hair systems _US profile, which is the one that I found that had 400,000 views at the time. I don't even know what it finally wound up at. It was still trending. But I found it halfway down on this account, at Hair Clips System. I'm sure you'll recognize people in their videos, as this company has stolen videos from many different companies and salons. So I go look at this account, Hair Clip Systems, and I scroll down, and back in July, they uploaded a video of me. They had already stolen my content back in July. You know how many views this video had? 1.6 million views. They have multiple TikTok accounts, probably some that I don't even know about. But just these two alone, they had racked up over 2 million views and had been selling product on my 2 million views of my face, my image, my brand, the money that I've put into this, they've made money off of. So I sent another message back to this company and I said, Kathy, you have also used my video on another account at Hair Clip Systems with over 1.6 million views. I expect compensation for all of this. Take it down now. And you know what they did? They blocked me on that account. So that way I couldn't see it anymore. That was multiple days ago. And they still have yet to respond. Guys, I am so frustrated with this. Guys, you want to know what company this is? It's a company called Be King Hair. Be King Hair. They have stolen my content. They've associated my name, my brand, and my image with them. They have used my content illegally to promote their product, probably selling inferior product to people that are suspecting to get a great result, which I can't guarantee. And that has damaged my brand, my reputation, my image, this YouTube channel. It's damaged all of it. And I take that very seriously. And it really, really hurts me, like down to my core. I've been building this for the greater part of a year, almost a year now. Consistency. Giving information, giving my time, my sweat, my tears, all these conversations. You guys have given conversations. You've been on this channel. And they've just cheapened all of it. I don't got anything else to say.